everyone, this is Slime Club Friends, and today we will be picking out a slime. And my first one I'm going to do is a Poopsie Slime surprise. Okay, I got my measuring cup open already. Let me open up this. Sorry guys, as soon as I have to get my measuring cup. And then look, I got glittery Poopsie. There's something inside here, just so you know. Make sure you get unicorn food. Unicorn magic. Surprise scent. And then your tablespoon. There you go. And then these are all the stuff that came with it. And I have to look at the instructions. You can collect all of them. And I'll be right back to 15 milliliters of water. This is 15 milliliters. And you guys have. Is that 15 milliliters?
You gotta fill it right up to this line. You put a little bit more water in there.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. And guys,
Okay, I should be right back. We'll look at the instructions.
That's perfect?
Yep, perfect.
Okay. Now look what else you have to add. Open the unicorn. Unicorn food. Wow. Mix it. And close the lid. Joe, what are you doing? Where's the lid? Where's the lid? Oh, you have to shake it.
You have to
How do I
shake.
dump it in here?
You have to shake it.
Can I dump it in
Yeah,
here?
go ahead.
Doing the drum roll.
That will be perfect. Yeah.
So Taylor has the. She has her and her friends have the Marilyn Monroe.
It's on the table. Okay. So mix it up.
Does she know what she's doing?
Ooh. Yeah. I might need some activator.
You need help?
That.
I'll be right back.
Mm.
Any scissors, please?
Careful. Where did unicorn scent?
Okay. And we are back. Want to add some baking soda to it? Some glue. you done?
Nope, not yet.
Why don't you talk to your fans?
What?
Why don't you talk to everybody?
Oh, hi everyone. Sorry. I just need to add a little bit more stuff.
Would you like to add some glue maybe?
Nope, that wouldn't work.
Some baking soda?
Nope. Unicorn food?
I don't know what she's making. So we're going to get going. Say bye to everybody.
Bye everyone. Comment down below if I think that I should add a little bit more stuff.
It's a little slimy.
It's a little bit slimy.
So there's no consistency, so it's not like a very good slime. So bye everybody.
Bye everyone.